can't chase you for our money all the time. Are you not ready to pay the rest?
I will.
To give you two more days. 2 more days. Or else, what you ask her to do to Mr. Frimpong will do the same to you. 2 more days, Star. 2 more days. I'll come call you. Star. 2 more days.
Anyway, Mother, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Should I say what brings you here? This is your home. I don't need to. What brings you here?
Oh, my normal visits, just to see how you're faring.
We're fine, though.
Albert has found a new girlfriend.
A new girlfriend? Yes. I hope he means business this time.
Means business. He introduced her to me yesterday.
So soon?
Such a beautiful girl.
I can see you like this girl.
Oh, I like her so much. She is a nurse.
Mom, you truly like this girl?
Oh, yes. And I'm wondering whether you will have time so that we shop together when it gets to the wedding time.
Well, when the time comes, just let me know.
By the way, where is Ken?
He has traveled. He's gone to Takrady.
Oh, then let me spend some few days with you here.
Why not? This is your home. Huh?
So cool.
Don't go. Like mother, like daughter. Hey, yeah. Anyway, what would you like to eat?
okra stew. Do you have snails?
Mom, I thought the doctor said don't.
Look at this age. Let me enjoy myself. What else? Please. Please.
Okra stew or soup?
Okra stew.
Okra. Okay. Stew. Yes, I have stew.
The one.
Okay, you'll be ready soon, okay? I'm coming.
Also, go. You this girl. I'm always in the house. Where will I go?
But don't you feel bored sometimes?
Of course, sometimes I feel bored, but I read my Bible, magazines, and then the daily papers.
Well, I guess you're going with
Oh, well, I'm good for you. And one thing that bothers me, Nadia, the way you young women dress these days. A married woman exposing your thighs, chest, your breast, and the back. It's not good.
Yeah, but my husband doesn't care. He doesn't complain.
You think so?
Yeah, he doesn't.
In our days, you can't expose your thighs. A married woman going out, no way.
But you know I'm always in the car.
So you get down from the car. When you go shopping, what do? You get down from the car. I mean, you better advise yourself. And then when you tell them I'm aware, how can you do that? To expose your waist. You're precious. A woman's precious is her thighs, her breasts, and the backside.
Oh, guess what how I dress now.
Please. Yeah, this is an advice. You can take it or leave it. Well, oh dear.
Hello. Good day,
You're welcome.
Fine, thank you.
How are you?
Fine by His grace.
Sit down.
Oh, thank you. It's okay. Yes, I can see you.
Well, now that your mother is here, I go to the room.
Oh, no.
I know once you are here, you won't have time for me. Talk. Let me go.
No.
Okay,
We want you to be part of it.
No, excuse me.
Oh, are you sure? I can see you feeling comfortable here.
Of course, Mom.
Too long. And I guess your mother-in-law is taking good care of you.
Mom, to be honest, she loves me to death.
I see.
I feel so comfortable around here. I can't complain.
So where's your husband?
He's going to work.
Okay. Now tell me, anytime I come around, I meet your mother-in-law here. Is she going to stay with you forever? Or for just a little while?
Mom, she lives here with us.
She lives here with you?
Yes, of course, Mom. She lives here with us.
Why?
This house belongs to her. It was her husband's house.
Wait. Her husband gave it to her after the death of her husband?
Yes, and my husband is taking care of it.
It doesn't change anything. It still stands the same. That it is hers.
It is, Mom. That's why she's here. Mom, why? Why all these questions?
Now I know. We are not safe here. We need to talk in the room.
What do you mean we're not safe here?
I need to put some sense into your head.
Mom, I don't like the way you're talking, please.
You don't know much in life. We talk later though. So, this house is his.
Mom, it is her house.
I like it.
That's so nice. The same color like mine. Yeah. Mom, I want you to look, very young. Trust me. Yeah. Albert would love to see your fingers. Do you like the color?
Oh yes, it's bright.
That's good. And I'll make sure
my fingers and hands when I get to church on Sunday.
I'll make sure your hands are done every week.
Thank you, my daughter.
Legs, trust me. But do you like the color?
Oh yes. But you've shaped yours in a way.
Well, a young woman's like
A young man toes, so I don't have to compare myself.
But if you want it the same like mine.
No,
I'll
don't
do
worry.
it for
I'm
you.
okay with
Sure?
this. I'm okay with this.
Okay.
Yes, I'm okay with this. I'm okay. Yeah, I'm happy. Yes. And the color is bright.
Like mine.
Yes. The same color.
So what are you doing Saturday?
Saturday, I'll be going to.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Mom.
The love of a mother and a daughter. I'm happy to see you two like this. See? Oh, I can see you are in a cordial relationship over here.
That's how it should be.
Daddy, I'm happy for you. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's true. That's how it should be.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
But all the time, it's unfortunate some of the daughters look at us as witches.
You see, oh.
And they neglect us.
How can your mother-in-law be a witch?
No way.
I don't know what they think.
Children
God
of today.
forbid them.
Oh.
God forbid them.
There's one more.
I'm so happy.
Oh, sit down.
I'm enjoying what she's doing.
Oh, you sit down, sit down.
I will. I'm
Sit
just
by
enjoying
me.
it.
Sit by me.
But I don't think, Nadia, you will miss me a bit when I'm away.
Oh, come on.
Oh, yes.
You are the mother.
I thank you so much,
The
Mom.
mother. A mother is a mother.
I don't want to spoil your polish. I thank you so.
A mother is a mother.
I just put one more on top for you, mother. So
I like that.
Oh, sit down, please sit down.
Thanks, sweet.
Sit
Thank
down,
you.
sit down, sit down, sit down. One family.
Oh, yes.
One family. We dwell.
Da da da. Da da.
Very nice voice.
You know, I am your mother. And there is no way I can give you bad advice. I want you to send this woman you call your mother-in-law out of this house.
Mother, what's wrong with you? And why are you talking like this?
You are just a child and stop being naive. Now let me ask you. This woman owns this house, yes or no?
Madam, she owns the house.
Good. How many years have you been married?
3 years now.
3 years?
Yes, madam.
Un, deux, trois.
Yes, madam.
Bon. The last question. Combien des enfants toi? You looking at me? How many children do you have?
None.
Rien. D'accord. Now listen to me carefully. I want you to know that this marriage is the only property you and I have in this world. So we have to do everything possible to protect it. Do you comprehend? Huh?
No.
No?
No.
You don't understand?
No, I don't.
Okay. Let me explain to you further. C'est maman, tu ne travailles pas. Et même temps, tu n'as pas des enfants avec votre mari. You don't have a job and you don't have children with your husband. Look here, baby girl. The fact that your husband hasn't complained doesn't mean he will not complain. Very soon he will get bored and will start complaining. And knowing very well that blood is thicker than water, believe you me, baby girl, that woman won't stand by you. She will throw you out.
Mother. Why are you saying all these things to me? Why?
Okay. If you think it's a lie, keep on staying with her. Oh, keep on staying with her if you think it's a lie. I know very soon you come to me for help. But don't wait until it's too late. Okay, Nadia. Send this woman out of this house. Throw this woman you call your mother-in-law out of this house before she throws you out. Okay. I'm leaving.
Mom, my husband does great work. I wonder how he manages.
How do you mean? Or what do you mean?
See, I'm talking about this work at the mines. Mom, it's not an easy task.
I know it's not an easy task, but since he is a responsible man, he has to take care of the kids as well as you. So?
Yes. You know, the day I went to his workplace, Mom, I screamed. The work is too dangerous. You know what? If something happens to him, I will die.
Look at it. Well, I know you love the man.
I do, Mom.
And he's been good to you, hasn't
I
he?
do.
I understand.
And he's an angel, Mom.
Oh, hello, Nadia. Hello.
Your in-law.
Yeah. Good. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Hi, Nadia.
How are you looking?
They're fine.
Mom, I got this for you from the dressmaker.
Me? Oh, Nadia. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you.
I'm jealous.
No, look at you. Don't have to be jealous.
I
I'll give you
am.
one. Shabu, one.
No, how can I wear your clothes? How? See?
Say hello to I'm just kidding. Hey, that's something.
Say, Grandma, I don't like that.
How's your husband?
He's fine. Yes, he is.
Were you leaving?
Oh, no, it's hot inside. So we felt like... Anyway, since you're back, we can go back.
All right, let's go. Okay, Mom.
All right. Okay. So... Yeah.
So how's everything?
Everything is fine, my dear.
Yeah. You have to sing for me.
She can't sing, girl. She can't sing.
Nadia!
you turn it off for me?
Yes! Yes! Did I turn it off, right? You want me to come from office and turn on food for you?
What's wrong if you turn it off?
Is that what you're telling me? God, is that what you're telling me? Why are you so irresponsible? Why? Huh? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Honey, come on, everyone makes mistakes. Why are you yelling at me like that? As if you're an angel.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Angel, yes, I am a white angel. If you don't know, I'm telling you. You want me to come from office and turn on food for you? I'm telling you, and you're telling me nonsense. What is wrong with you, huh? Do you know how to cook? Do you know how this simple cooking? Can't you do it? Be a housewife. Sit in the house, cook. If you behave as if,
Why don't you cook for yourself?
you behave as if you're looking after thousands of kids in this house. I don't even hear the sound of a little baby crawling. Daddy, I don't hear anything. All you do is just sit behind mirrors and behave as if you are preparing for a Chinese masquerade.
Stop yelling at me.
Shut up.
Why don't you cook for yourself?
Shut up. Listen to me. If you want to burn this house, tell me. I'll get you petrol and matches right now so that you burn the house. Get out! Get out!
I will not get out.
Nadia, you don't have to shout back to your husband this way. What is your use in this house? What is your use in this house? You don't have children. You don't work. And yet you can't handle things in this house. What is your use? You can't buy this house for me, oh.
Mommy, warn her, Mom. Warn her.
You want to buy this house down? Let me tell you, you can't buy this house for you. When you can't be using, how can you talk to your husband this way? Not again. I am warning you, not again. And you want to burn this house down. You can't. I won't allow you to burn this house down.
Thousands of kids in this
Look at her. What is your use in this house? What is your use in always my telly and mobile phone? What do you do in this house? What do you do in this house? Do you want to burn this house down? You can't burn this house down. You can never burn this house down. I have to talk. And I will talk. I will talk. What do you do? You don't have children. What do you do? You don't work. What is your use? What is your use? What is your use? What do you do in this house, Nadia? What do you do? Nonsense. The house belongs to all of us and not your husband alone, let me tell you. You can't come and burn it down for me. You live this here, always watching television. Always by telly. Always by telly. Either converse you on the mobile phone or telly. Nothing doing. Nothing doing. You call yourself a housewife. Housewife, my foot. Nadia! Nadia!
Mother, you know, you were right. Can you believe that woman sided with Albert yesterday when we had an argument without even listening to my side of the story?
I told you, didn't I? Make her. Oh, you what? I wasn't successful in my marriage because I wasn't cautious of my in-laws. Hey. Lalai. We are going to get rid of her. Inshallah. Repeat after me. Get rid of her.
Get rid of her.
Beautiful. Now find something to do. Stop acting pretend and find something to do.
Okay, let's continue. I'm not in the mood even to eat. I'm not hungry at all.
You tell me you're not hungry because of one woman who is going to be miserable like she's never been. Huh?
Mother, I'm childless. And that even bothers me more.
She insulted you with that too. Eh? She did?
Yeah.
Okay. I told you it wouldn't take time before she sent you out of that house. See? You leave everything to me. I will handle it myself, okay?
Okay, Mother.
Take it easy.
But, you know what's like worrying me so much?
What is it again?
I really don't want to lose my husband.
And I will personally kill you if you lose him. Just leave everything to me. I know what to do. Hey, this woman has burdened more than she can chew. Hey, I see.
Why are you so quiet? Baby, please, I'm sorry for what happened yesterday. Please, I'm sorry for yelling at you. Please forgive me. You know what, I had a very bad day at work yesterday. And I didn't expect to come home and meet such a thing. Please. Please, dear.
I'll wait.
I know, baby. I know I've wronged you. Yes. I know, please.
You know, you didn't need to yell at me like that.
That's what I'm saying. I don't know what is wrong with this boy. I just...
Come on, like, I know I was, like, I'm responsible for that, but you didn't need to yell at me. How could you just yell at me like that? It's not fair.
I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'll forgive you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I love you, dear.
Love you too.
You know I cannot live without you. So what you cooking?
It's inside.
Inside? Then let's go! Let's go. Oh, yeah.
Hey Albert, why that look?
I'm okay, dog. I'm okay.
I won't come to this house again.
Oh, please.
Then give me a smile. Anyway, from the test I conducted, both of you are perfectly okay and must have children.
Okay, so doctor, you're saying we're both okay?
Yes, you're perfect.
Then, if we're okay, why can't I get pregnant?
We ourselves, we don't even understand. But you see, such things are normal. I know of 2 couples who had the same problem. But in 5 years' time, they had children. So just have hope.
Patricia, dog, sorry, now you're a big woman now.
Better respect.
Dog, listen, I don't know what else we should do. And you were saying medically we are all perfect.
That's right.
Then what is wrong?
You see, it can be from the result of stress or depression. All you have to do is to relax your mind, put yourself together, just be yourself and everything is going to be okay.
You know me, I don't put myself under any hard work. I don't go under any stress. I don't do any big thing.
I know, I understand.
I can't even hear a cry of a single baby in this house.
I do understand your situation, okay, but it's normal. Just put yourself together and have hope, okay? Very soon you're going to have kids, okay?
You're saying it, dog. You're saying it. You know, when you get married, there's one thing that people expect from you.
Kids.
Yeah.
And look at me.
Hey, but hey, what happened to you? You used to be a very good shooter.
Oh, come on, that dog. I'm a big man now.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, dog.
Anyway, how's your sister, Trudy?
You know, we are big now. We are grown-ups. She's in her marital house. There's me.
Yeah.
We're just managing life.
Oh, big baby, don't worry, okay? Everything will be alright.
You are saying it.
Very soon you're gonna have kids, okay? Trust me, it's a promise.
Yes, please. I know, Mr. Troy. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll be there. Just 5 minutes, please, sir. All right. Thank you, sir. Please, just 5 minutes. I'll be there. All right. Thank you, sir. Yeah, baby. You gotta talk to me. What do you say you want to talk about?
You know, I went to see a man of God about our issue.
You went to see a man of God? What did I tell you about these prophets, messengers of God? Huh? Nadia, what is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Oh, like you need to hear me out before you start judging.
All right, talk to me. I'm ready. Talk to me.
He said,
Do you want me to go?
get over it and get it done. He said your mother is responsible for us not having kids.
My mother? Nadia, that prophet of yours said my mother is responsible for us not having kids, right? What about your mother? Huh? Did he say something about your mother? Don't you have a mother? Huh? This will be the first and last time I'm hearing you saying these silly things in my house again, right? Huh? My mother. My mother, right? My mother.
Outside and enjoy the fresh air. Who asked you to sit down? Who did? Oh, did you prepare this chair especially for someone? Yes, I did, but definitely not for you. Sit here alone and enjoy yourself. My mother. No. Yes. I saw her. I saw her. No. This is only a dream. It is only a dream. Take your dirty hands off my plate. What do you think you're doing? I don't need your help. Please. What? Do you think you can destroy my husband and I? Which it will never happen in this house.
Nadia, why are you behaving this way? What has come over you?
Madness has come over me. Which? Madness.
Me? Nadia. Me a witch. Nadia. Me a witch?
Yes, you are a witch.
Me, Nadia, me a witch.
What?
Albert, did you hear your wife calling me a witch? Albert, I'm asking your question. Did you hear your wife calling me a witch? Albert, would you mind me? Albert,
Mr. Choi.
you're going away.
Mr. Choi. Yeah.
Hey, look what you did. You sent him away. You have sent him away. Follow me. Do you think I'm gonna sit around here so you can destroy my husband and I? It will never happen over my dead body. Please remove your head from my table.
Nadia, wait, you won't let me swear. I am
Swear! 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 Wait, swear!
I am not a witch. Let me tell you, I am not a witch.
You are not a... Hey, Nadia! Do you think I'm going to sit around here and kill him for me like you killed your husband? It will never happen. It will never happen.
Nadia,
What?
listen to me. The man who just walked away is my son. Also, the house in which we live presently was built by my husband and I. So if you think this house cannot contain the three of us now, please find a place and then you move out of this place. I don't want trouble.
You think I'm going to stand here and listen to your nonsense?
Nadia! Hey! Me a witch?
Yes, you are a witch. Come and eat.
Hey!
Come and eat.
Nadia! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Your food was so delicious.
Thank you.
Going for a break?
Why not?
Nadia!
What? Why are you yelling my name?
Where is my food? Am I not eating today?
Your what? Your food. Look, just take a good look at me. Do I look like your housemaid? No, I don't. You just wake up and walk down here and ask me of your food.
What is going on in this house? For heaven's sake. What is going on in this house? Albert, are you standing there looking at your wife talking to me the way she likes?
Please, Mom. Please! I'm sick and tired of your bickerings. Where were you during meals? Where were you, Mom? Where were you? Everything like a parrot. What is this? What kind of life is this?
Mom, I can't believe this. Are you sure of what you're telling me, Mother?
I'm very sure. If you were there to see the way Dadia treats me, you'll be surprised. Dadia.
And what did Albert do?
Albert just stood there looking on, and when I asked him, why did you stop your wife from me? He said, hey, Mommy, I'm tired of you. I'm tired of your bickering and nagging in this house. I'm tired.
You mean Albert shouted at you?
Yes. What did he?
What did you do wrong?
Where did I go? What have I done? Trudy, what have I done? What, for heaven's sake? If they are fed up with me, they should leave my house and let me live in peace. Go and talk to them. They should leave my house and let me in peace. I'm also equally tired of them. They can go. Hey, go and talk to them. Oh. Go and talk to them. Oh. Hey, tell Albert the 10 commandments. Honor your father and your mother, that your days may be long upon the land with the Lord thy God has given you. Honor your father. Go and talk to him.
And that's the only commandment with a promise.
Yes, that's the only commandment with a promise.
Mother,
yes.
Let me change so we can go together.
Right. Honey, can I go with you?
No, please. Let me deal with Albert myself.
But are you sure you can handle this alone?
I can. He's my brother.
Nobody is now, okay?
Take it easy, okay?
No, I'm not sure. Mommy, give me a few minutes. I'll be back.
The traffic was hectic. Can't believe I got home safe. Oh.
You're back.
Yeah. I'll be inside.
Hey, where do you think you're going?
Excuse me? Are you talking to me?
Yes, I am talking to you. And who the hell do you think you are?
Oh, will you shut up, Trudy? What is wrong with you, huh? You walk all the way from your house to my house to address my wife in this disgraceful manner. What is going through that your taste car, huh?
Nothing. This thing here that you called your wife showed your mother and your sister disrespect. And this is all you can say. Now let me tell you something. The witch around here is your wife, not my mother.
Hey! How dare you! Like, walk all the way from your house and call me a witch. It's you and your mother who are witch.
And she's not ashamed.
Sometimes I'm even confused. I wonder why. You know, she thinks she's like, you know, she calls you your daughter. Please, let me talk. Please, let me talk. Why are you shouting on top of your voices? Look at you. Are you referring to me as look at you? What is going on here?
Don't say
look at me.
Huh?
Wait, Albert. Albert. Have you forgotten as your mother?
premises.
Thank you so much.
I mean, what is the meaning of this?
Witches! It's you and your mother are the witches in this house.
Nadia, will you shut up? Now sit. Trudy, it's enough. Please sit. Sorry, Mom. So
You
sorry.
called my mother a witch.
Yes, I will say it
And
again.
you know
Witch!
shame of yourself. Yes.
What is the meaning of this?
It's benefiting from her sweat.
Trudy, it's okay. Trudy, please sit. It's okay. Nadia, show some sense of respect, okay? I don't want that. I mean, we are one family. Why should we be fighting? Huh? We are rather to lead a disciplined life for others to emulate. We shouldn't be fighting.
Then, Mother, please talk to Nadia, because I will not accept it the next time she called my mother a witch.
It's enough. Please, let's live in peace and harmony. I'm sorry. Sorry, Mother. So sorry. My son, I didn't like what happened the other time. See, I want you to be the man that you are. Anytime such things crop up in the house, please stand on your feet as a man and control the situation. Please, don't take sides. Because whatever she does, she's your mother. It is heartbreaking for every mother to hear her children speak against her like that. Very heartbreaking. I'm also a mother, and I know how it feels. Please, don't let it repeat itself. So please. Yes.
Alright, Mommy. I've heard all that you've said, and I'll do exactly that. I'll make sure that this thing will not happen again. And thanks a lot for your advice.
I hope Trudy too will do just that. And you, Nadia, I don't want you to come and break the relationship in this family. Prove to this family and the whole world that I brought you up decently. Okay? Okay? Your mother-in-law is your mother. Yes, now to the main point concerning, the problem at hand. I talked to some friends of mine and they suggested I see one or two pastors. In fact, they've recommended about one or two pastors for me. So I just want to get you informed before we take any move. What do you think about it?
For this one, I'm very sorry, Mom. I'm sincerely sorry that I don't like these people. I don't like getting close at all.
See, I know that there are fake ones, but some are also good. Prayers can also help. I mean, there's no harm in trying. There's one at ADUSU road or something. They say he's good. Who knows? I mean, it's nothing but prayers. That's all. It's... please.
Okay.
Please, one or two. The other one they told me is good. And that one too, somewhere, we've forgotten that. It's also good.
Okay, Mom, for your sake, I will go.
Thank you.
I will.
Okay.
I will.
Okay. It's good. Thank you.
Hi, Mommy.
By now, I should have my grandchildren wandering around here.
Let me take a little raise.
Alright. Okay. Congratulations, Nadia. You did well the other time to give me 5. Okay, that was good. Perfect. I'm proud of you. That was exactly what I wanted you to do. Fight the woman every moment, okay? Don't spare her. Never spare her. Okay? Drive her out of your marriage, right? Good. So that everything will be yours. Okay? Now that you've got your husband's consent, you can stand on it and drive her away from this marriage slowly. Right?
Okay, Mom.
Make sure she is out.
She will. Trust me, I will do it just like, the way.
And I'll be behind you always. And I'm there for you. Don't be afraid.
Alright.
Okay? Good. He says he's taking a short nap. Go and sleep by him. Alright.
You're gonna be okay.
Hey, come on. When you go lie by him, rub your hands on his legs. Be pulling his hair. Pull them one by one, slowly, romantically. Okay?
I'll do it, Mom.
Do it for me, baby.
Okay.
I know you can do it. Now go. Go. And blow me kisses. Okay.
Mom, you're hurting me. Mom. No, Mom, please. Put it back, Mom. Don't do this. Mom, bring it. Mom, please. Mom.
What is it? You okay? What's wrong with you? Are you okay? Keep saying Mom. I heard you saying Mom. What is it?
Did I?
Yeah. Are you okay? Are you sure? Do you want anything like water or something?
No.
It's just a dream. Oh, come on. Let's sleep. You okay? Are you sure? Oh, come here. Come on. Let's sleep. Why did you stop? Why did you stop?
I don't feel anything.
What do you mean you don't feel anything? What is it? Come on, what is it?
I can get hot.
Sure. But it's there.
It's there, but I don't know why.
What do you mean?
I don't feel anything. It's gone. I can get hot.
I don't understand. Tell me something.
It's not written.
How? Come on, what's happening? Tell me, honey.
She took it.
Oh, who took it? Who, honey? Tell me something.
The dream.
Who was it? Come on, tell me, honey. You're scaring me here. Come on. Just imagine. So, you have the guts to ask me where I'm coming from.
Nadia, I said, where are you coming from? Huh? Don't you know the simple rules of the watch? As a married woman, it's just a time for her to come home.
And you think I care? I don't even care. You're not even a man enough for me. And you asking me where I'm coming from. How many times have I asked you? How many times? I asked you so many times. Let's go and see a man of God. But no, you refuse. You can't help yourself. So I'm sorry I can't help you either. Okay? I'm so sorry. I just need to go and have a Hey! Don't talk to me.
Now. Everywhere now, witches are even drinking. Witches, you fill your glass and you just get dries up. See, empty. Empty. Now, witches are even drinking. They'll finish everything in just nothing. See, they are supposed to drink blood, but now they are drinking all the alcohol in the house. Nadia! I'm off to the club. There, I can even swim in alcohol. Witches are taking everything in the house. Nadia! Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Brother. Brother Albert, my God. I don't know how you're going to take what I'm going to tell you. But I have to tell you.
Tell us, Pastor.
All these problems you've been facing these days, it's nobody but McBrown Zindorobo Cabra Andelebe Kapa. I mean nobody but your mother.
Albert, I told you your mother is a witch. And you don't want to believe that. You don't even want to hear it. Look at it.
See, he said it. He said it.
You had a dream that you were struggling with your mother over your manhood a few days ago.
Never. See?
How did you get to know this?
He's a pastor, of course. He's a man of God.
You've been having some problems these days. Yes. If you want this problem solved, your mother have to leave your house.
Thank you very much, Pastor. Thank you. I told you so many times your mom needs to be out of our life. And you keep arguing with me.
You mean I should suck my mom out of the house?
Yes. And when she leaves, everything will come back, including your manhood. She should leave. Let's go.
You better do it. You better do it.
Somebody help me! Against them shall prosper, 'cause the light